Thutha wa arimi a mucere thikimu-ini ya Mwea gukaya kumana kwaga kugura mucere ni thirikari, maabitha honge-ini cia ministry ya urimi ni macerete thitoo-ini ya Mwea kwarira mitaratara mirumu ya uguri wa mucere. Agitongoria mihang'o ino, murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa NDAGITARI BRUNO LINYIRU augite thirikari ni irutire kuguraga mucere wothe bururi-ini mbere ya mucere uguritwo kuma nja wa bururi.
The visit of Mwea Rice Growers Multipurpose Society, we are very pleased with the progress made so far, because when we were here last year, we had come to assure them that all the rice that they produce will be taken up by the government. And they have just confirmed that from our production of last year, the uptake has been very good. What they have is very little remaining in their stores, which our MD for KNTC will be assuring us in terms of what's done with that. We are also here to look at any challenges they may have. We also continue to note that total rice production in the country has grown steadily over the years. From 2023, where it was around 120,000 metric tons, it has grown steadily. Now we stand to be at about 182,000 by the crop of 2025. That's a steady growth.
LINYIRU augite mucere wa guku bururi-ini ndukoretwo kiigana na nikio makoretwo makirehe mucere kuma nja wa bururi. Murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa KNTC Luciana Ngwe augite ni mamukirite ciringi milioni 200 iria ikuhuthika kugura mucere kuma kuri thaiti cia arimi na maririhagwo wona mucere wa kuo.
As the off-takers of milled rice, mine is just to say we have seen a great improvement because we have mopped up excess rice that was milled, and what we have seen as a balance of what is remaining in the next 2 months, we are committed to ensure that orders are given and prompt payment is given to farmers. What we would like to encourage farmers in this region and all other regions, please don't take your milled rice to middlemen who offer cheap farm gate prices. Join circles, because farmers cooperatives like Mwea Rice Growers is giving a good price for the paddy.
Mwaka muhituku arimi marakoretwo magikayana mucere guikara thitoo-ini utaguritwo. Murugamiri wa thitoo ino ya Mwea akiuga wona thirikari yakuwa mucere wothe matigukorwo magicerithiria kuriha arimi.
Nie no gukena ni uria arimi a mucere first of all marehete mucere after kugetha, na ni kuonania ati fertilizer iria twaheanire thiini wa support iria tuhetwo ni thirikari ni rutite wira, na ngathi na mbere na kuheana assurance ati ni tuguthie na mbere na gu supply fertilizer ino, na already thitoo citu ciothe iria areas iria ciothe cihandaga mucere already ni stocketwo na fertilizer yo. Koguo murimi no athie kuo anytime na gutire undu uguka ati akorwo ndaraheo fertilizer yo.
Ruhonge rwa NCPB kugerera murugamiri munene Samuel Ndung'u ni rwiranire gutigira arimi ni mamukira fertilizer ihinda-ini riagiriire.
Ihinda-ini riri twarora mucere uria urakura titatene ni turakuria ngonia 1,600,000 cia kilo ta 100 cia mucere utari muthie. Ndaririkana mwaka muthiru twari na thina wa kwendia mucere uria twari naguo, no thirikari tugacokia ngatho ni undu wa thirikari tondu ihinda-ini riu ni twokire o guku na timu ino, na ihinda riu ni twahotire kwendia mucere na gugikinyirira December mwaka muthiru 2025 tutiatigaritie mucere muingi, twatigaritie ka mucere o kanini karia twarugire nako mwaka wa 2026 nigetha tuhothe kuriha arimi tene na niguo mahote guturehera mucere muingi.
Nikiriro gikoretwo na arimi a mucere mwena wa Mwea makiuga ni manogete gwitungumania indi gutire na umithio urimi wao ramarehera. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa KIARIA.